Okay, I have a CRP1096 ICrimp tool set here. Okay, it comes with the PEX clamp tool. On there it says ASTM F2098, 3/8 of an inch through 1 inch. And it has a, what's it called? The PEX pipe cutter, cuts up to 1 inch in PEX. And, well, PEX tubing. And let's see here. It also comes with a 20 pack of 1/2 inch PEX clamps made from corrosion resistant stainless steel. And it has 6 packs, this would be these right here, of PEX couplings, 4 pack of, what is that? No, I'm sorry, this is not a coupling, this is the elbows right here. These are the elbows, these are the couplings, and this one is considered a T, PEX T's right here. That's what it comes with. It's pretty cool. And this little manual, which it really doesn't say much. Let me see if there's anything in the back. Nope, nada. It's a cool tool set. When you have that blue and water, it's blue and red water PEX thing, or you're running water to a building, a structure, a shed. Pretty cool item to have. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.